it is. No codes. Trans temperatures at 170. I'm on a flat road, which is I-5, heading northbound. My speed is 60 miles per hour, and I'm being limited to 4,000 RPM. So I'll take my foot off the accelerator, allow the transmission to shift, and then my speed can pick up. But as soon as I put my foot in the throttle, I'm limited to 4,000 RPM. Throttle in, and that's it. I've got the throttle fully engaged. You can see the temperature of the vehicle is at operating temperature. Again, transmission sitting very comfortably at 170. Yeah. Okay, vehicle information. We're not overheating. We're at 219. So nice and cool. Oil pressure's at 51. So we've got plenty of oil pressure there. Again, the transmission sits right around 170. Right now it's at 172. And I am towing, but I'm towing within spec. Right now, the trailer that I'm towing is dry weight is 2,200 pounds. Okay, re-engaging, and I cannot get past 4,000 RPM. Can manually allow it to shift so I can pick up some speed, but I am stuck at 4,000 RPM.